Hello everyone, this is Tejal from submodules software and today we will see how to add asset locations. So let's start. Just click on asset module, then select asset locations. Just click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export your locations through export to Excel and export to CSV option. To add new location, click on add new option. Just enter the description or that location. I'm just adding Pune over here. Then enter the code. Just set active as yes and just click on save. Your new asset location will be created successfully and you can easily view, edit and delete that asset location through these actions. You can quick search your asset location through this filter and you can quick refresh that search data through this refresh button. This is how you can add your asset locations. If you get any query to add asset locations, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video.